So write on the question. An object travels 16 meters in 4 seconds. An object travels 16 meters in 4 seconds and then another 16 meters in 2 seconds. 16 meters in 2 seconds. What is the average speed of the object? What is the average speed of the object? Again, I am repeating the question. An object travels 16 meters in 4 seconds and then another 16 meters in 2 seconds. What is the average speed of the object? 2 minutes time, quickly do it. And just now we have discussed that what is average speed? Average speed is the total distance by total time taken. And here in the question you have been given 16 meter and 16 meter. That is what? That is the distance, and time taken is given 4 seconds and 2 seconds. So what you will do for that? क्या करना होगा आपको?
मैम डिस्टेंस को इक्वल जोड़ना होगा.
हाँ, total distance. First of all, you will find out what is the total distance, and then
6
total time.
time.
Total time. When you will get this two, then average speed will be equal to what? Average speed is equal to total distance by total. Yeah, who has sent me the answer? One of you have sent me the answer. Total time. Do it fast. So total distance will be what? What is given? 16 meter plus 16 meter divided by what? 4 second and 2 second, na? That is altogether 6 seconds.
6 seconds.
So 32 meter by 6 second, that is equal to what? Answer क्या आ जाएगा?
मैम 5.33 meter per second.
Meter per second. This
Per
will be the answer. Okay. Next question. Write on the question. Under what condition is the magnitude of average velocity magnitude of the average velocity of an object equal to its average velocity? Object equal to its average velocity. Under what condition is the magnitude of average velocity of an object equal to its average speed? आपको क्या निकालना है? Average velocity is equal to average speed. किस कंडीशन में होगा? Average velocity is equal to average speed. In which condition it will take place? Tell me. Is it possible or not possible? Is it possible or not possible? In which condition it is possible? Anyone? Which condition is this possible? Is this possibility there or not? First of all, tell me this. The average velocity will be equal to average speed or not? Correct. Anshika, correct. It will be equal only when the object will move in the what? A straight line. Two condition is there. A straight line chahiye and distance is equal to what? Is equal to displacement. Only then it is possible. When distance and displacement is same, then average velocity will be equal to average speed. For example, suppose I am taking this 200 meter and time I am taking 20 minutes. Now check whether average speed and average velocity is same or not. Do it quickly. Whether average speed and average velocity is same. See, I have given you ये क्या है 200 मीटर है डिस्टेंस और 20 मिनट में ये कवर कर रहा है. तो अगर हम एवरेज स्पीड इसका निकालेंगे, एवरेज स्पीड क्या हो जाएगा? टोटल डिस्टेंस बाय टोटल टाइम. ओके, तो टोटल डिस्टेंस कितना हो रहा है? 200 मीटर. और टोटल टाइम कितना हो रहा है? 20. यहाँ पे सेकंड लेते हैं, नहीं तो फिर कन्वर्ट करना पड़ेगा इसको. 20 सेकंड. ओके, 20 सेकंड आई एम टेकिंग. सो व्हाट आई एम गोइंग टू गेट? क्या मिलेगा? 10 मीटर पर सेकंड. ओके, 10 मीटर पर सेकंड वी विल गेट. और अगर एवरेज velocity, are you able to see the board? Is it clear from board? Average velocity is equal to what? Total displacement by total time. So what is the total displacement from this one? From A to B? What is the total displacement? Same, it will be 200 meter. Displacement is same, 200 meter. And time taken is also same, 20 second. So what we will get the average velocity? 10 meter per second. So in which condition it is same? When it is a linear motion and when distance is equal to displacement. Got it? Next question. Are you able to see the board? Tell me first. So what the question is, what does the path of an object look like when it is in uniform motion? When it is in uniform motion, how does the path look like? How will be the path when there is uniform motion? What kind of graph?
Straight line.
It will be a straight line. Okay, and when will we talk about the graph, it will be a slope. Okay, that will be a slope. So simply your answer will be what? Simply your answer will be straight line. The next question, question number 5. During an experiment, a single signal from a spaceship reached the ground station in 5 minutes. So 5 minutes is what time? 5 minutes is time. What was the distance of the spaceship from the ground station? The signal travels at the speed of light, that is 3 into 10 to the power meter per second. So 3 आपको निकालना क्या है क्वेश्चन में, बताइए क्वेश्चन में क्या निकालना है, क्या निकालना है? What you have to take out? What you have to take out? What is given? Time is given what? 5 minutes. Okay. And signal, that is speed of light. Speed of light क्या किस तरह का मोशन होगा बताओ, किस तरह का स्पीड होगा, यूनिफॉर्म या नॉन यूनिफॉर्म? 3 into 10⁸ मीटर पर सेकेंड। ये कैसा स्पीड है, यूनिफॉर्म स्पीड है या नॉन यूनिफॉर्म स्पीड है?
मैम यूनिफॉर्म।
यूनिफॉर्म है।
Uniform.
Today only we have done that speed of light is what? Uniform. It's not going to change. And what you have to find out, distance आपको निकालना है, distance of the spaceship from the ground. Distance. So can you take it out? कैसे निकलेगा ये? How will you take out? बताओ. Time is given, speed is given, you have to take out distance. What is speed is equal to?
Distance by time.
So distance by time, speed is equal to distance by time. Speed is equal to what? Distance by what? Time. So speed
Time.
is given, time is given, time is given in minute, time is given in minute, but you have to convert into what?
Second.
So how will you convert it into second?
मैम 5 मिनट को 60 सेकंड से इंटू कर देंगे तो 300 सेकंड हो जाएगा।
ठीक है, 5 को 60 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे, 60 सेकंड से कर देंगे, then you will get the minute into second. Okay, and then you'll put the value of this one, and then you will get the distance. Distance will be equal to what? Distance will be equal to speed into what? Speed into time. Okay, distance will be equal to speed into time. Okay, everyone? Next, write down one question. It is from your NCERT book only. Example 8.2. Example 8.2. Okay, what does very good. Odometer tells us about the distance. So in the question, what is given? It is given the initial point and the end point. That initial reading was what? 2000 kilometer, and the final reading when the trip ended was 2400 kilometer. So what is the total distance covered by the car? What will be the total distance covered by the car?
मैम 4400.
4400. 400 only. 2000 was the initial reading and 2400 was the final reading. So you are doing that. See, you are not. When the car started, its reading was what? 22,000 kilometer. From point A, when the car started, the odometer was showing the reading 2000 kilometer. When he reached the station, the reading showed 2400 kilometer. So what is the total distance covered by the car from A to B?
Ma'am, 400.
400.
400.
It is
Yes, ma'am.
400. You will not totaling. आप ये total नहीं करोगे. आपको क्या
Yes, ma'am.
करना है? टोटल डिस्टेंस कितना ट्रेवल हुआ, तो ये आपका इनिशियल था, ये फाइनल था, दोनों को माइनस करोगे. फाइनल माइनस इनिशियल, यू विल गेट द डिस्टेंस. ओके, and when you will get the total distance, then you will be able to find out what? Average speed. And what is the time given? Total time taken to complete the trip is what?
8 hours.
8 hours.
8 hours. It is given what? It is given 8 hours. So time is given and total distance you have got. So you can do the calculation. Okay. Now see example 8.3. Example 8.3. Page number 102. Usha swims in a 90-meter long pool. She covers 180 meter in 1 minute by swimming from one end to the other. So what does it mean? Suppose this is the pool. Okay, this is 90 meter. Okay, A to B, the total distance of the pool is what? 90 meter. 90 meter. She covers 180 meter in 1 second by swimming from one end to the other. एक end से other end वो cover करती है कितना? 180 meter in 1 minute and back along the same straight path. From one end to the other and back along the same straight path. Find the average speed and the average velocity. ठीक है, तो इसका टोटल डिस्टेंस कवर कितना हो जाएगा ये बताओ पहले. टोटल डिस्टेंस देखो निकालने के लिए क्या कह रहा है? एवरेज स्पीड एंड एवरेज क्या? वेलोसिटी. एवरेज स्पीड एंड एवरेज वेलोसिटी. तो स्पीड के लिए क्या चाहिए हमको? डिस्टेंस बाय टाइम. और वेलोसिटी के लिए क्या चाहिए?
Displacement by time.
डिस्प्लेसमेंट बाय टाइम चाहिए. बाय टाइम टोटल डिस्प्लेसमेंट. ओके, टोटल. तो डिस्टेंस कितना कवर कर रही है ये बताओ. यहां से A टू B जा रही है एंड देन B टू A आ रही है, रिटर्न बैक हो रही है, तो टोटल डिस्टेंस क्या हो जाएगा? टोटल डिस्टेंस क्या हो जाएगा?
180.
ठीक है, टोटल डिस्टेंस विल बी व्हाट? 180. कितने टाइम में?
1 minute.
1
1
meter.
मिनट मतलब 60 सेकंड हो जाएगा वो.
Yes.
क्या हो जाएगा? 60 सेकंड हो जाएगा. और डिस्प्लेसमेंट क्या हो जाएगा?
0.
डिस्प्लेसमेंट तो 0 हो जाएगा क्योंकि शी स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम एयर, दिस वाज द इनिशियल, and then when she returned back to the same position, so this is the final also, so that will be what? 0. So average displacement will be what? 0, isn't it? But average velocity will be what? 0. And average speed will be, what will be the average speed? 3 meter per second, isn't it or not? It is 3 meter per second, but displacement final and initial both is same, so this is 0 by 60 equal to what? 0 meter per second. Understood? So that's all for today. Do you have any question? Do you have any question? Your homework will be to complete all the questions whatever we have discussed.